Presbyterian Church. I'm about to install these bees, these little baby nooks, into their forever home. Check out these really cool designs that they made. Very cool, huh? Here are their designs. Okay, I'm gonna open up this box now. Look at those girls. It's a beautiful nook here. And I'm gonna try and install her with one hand. So I didn't bring my little tripod thing. Look at that. That bird pattern is absolutely gorgeous. These birds are beautiful. Definitely hear the buzzing now. Hive tool. Oh, here goes a hive tool. Oh, there's the queen. I don't know if you guys can. Where'd she go? There, I just saw her. There she is. Where did she go? Hang on, I'll get her for you. She's right there. You see her? Right here. There she is. Her Highness. Okay. Good job. Slide this frame over here. And you're done. I put this inner cover over the top because I want to keep the design looking nice and pretty for people looking inward. But I didn't want the bees to build kind of weird because they have to do their homework down below first before they get that second box, so I taped it over. We are here at Bee Ridge Presbyterian Church, and I have just installed all the beehives, and they are now in their forever home. And so it's done. God bless.